What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, preparation day for the track. So, finna get meats out. I might slide up on there, man. Put that dry shot loop in. I don't know. Well, I might wait. It'll be alright. Cause the car gonna have to leave soon. I get Jess and them to tackle it. I'm gonna do dolo, cause I ain't got nothing that need to be done dolo no time soon. But this will be going, Jason gonna have to go in there anyway, cause they'll be putting my 9-inch in. Drive shaft gonna have to be shortened and doing the brake proportional valve and all that other stuff. New double adjustable up and low. They gotta do all that so that I get them throw the loop in too. But I do need to put my bumper fillers in. I had these in probably 2 weeks now. I just didn't show them to y'all. I bought new bumper fillers right here. I got to order the front. I'm getting all my little small pieces together so I can go ahead and get my boy painted. I gotta get the front. I'm gonna order the front bumper filler. I'm not ordering new chrome and stuff like that or new bumpers, cause I ain't trying to do all that. I don't want it to be. It ain't got to be show car clean, but cause I'm gonna be running this car, a lot of street driving stuff. I know Jmalcom gonna put that wet on it. It's gonna be the same look, same color, same top, everything. But I ain't trying to go all out like I did with brown coat. Cause y'all see, I barely drive brown coat now, and I haven't took brown coat to the track in well over a year. Seriously, it's been over a year now. That truck has not seen the track. And I told people when I paint it, I ain't gonna be taking it like that. I'm just too nervous something gonna happen. Rocker jump up and hit the paint and stuff. I mean, it can happen in the road too, but you burning out and all that, man. I mean, that's what they for, but I like, man, I got to be nice for some time, man. I drive it. I just don't put it on camera cause I don't be doing that, but I do drive it and stuff. It just look like it don't never be driven. But I'm gonna take it to the track soon. Somebody asked me recently, I can't remember what platform, will we see brown coat on the gas this year? Yes, you will. Jess and them doing R&B right now. Then I plan on getting wifey in there next. Yeah, I want her to get done next. Her exhaust and headers and stuff. Get wifey car next, and then I'm gonna do brown coat last. I got everything for it already. I was undecided on the fuel system, cause I'm only gonna have a small shot on it, so I will undecided. I keep going back and forth on doing a dedicated fuel system or not. I still like dedicated fuel system, cause it's a peace of mind, and you don't have to run your car one way and this and that. I don't know, but if I get a dedicated fuel system, I got to buy that stuff. I have to buy fuel line, another fuel cell. I have a fuel pump already. I got 2 fuel pumps. But I have to buy another line and fuel cell, which I'm probably gonna end up doing it anyway. That's just the way I like to do stuff. I mean, so I get that, and then I have everything ready, cause we got the new box, new ignition box, the nitrous kit already. I got a bottle, so we're gonna save that for last, and then we're gonna go test it though. But we finna move meat, get the tire put on. I got to change the spark plugs, cause I got nitrous plugs in and stuff right now, which I mean, it'll run on motor on nitrous plug, but I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna put the motor plugs in, cause it'll run a little better. And that'll definitely keep me from even having the urge to, man, maybe I'll try to spray. That what me and my little brother were talking about Cedro. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the motor plugs in it. And I definitely can't spray it then. I ain't gonna spray it. It'd be too hot of a plug unless I want to tear something up. So then I definitely can't spray it. So let's do that. Y'all stay tuned. Just thought about it, y'all. Come out better pushing it. This joker here, them headers get some heat on them real fast. So let's just roll it back. Pretty much roll it anyway. Won't be too hot to work on. All right, got that done. First task. I'm gonna put the spark plugs in. I'm gonna show y'all what plugs I run on motor. Where's it? Show y'all the old. Show you how good the tune was on the thing. Great tune on this joker. With my horsepower spark plug. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see it. Ain't running good. Running great, man. Now that's a good burning plug there. But I run the auto lights. Like I like to run auto lights on motor, NGK, nitro plug. I run the 3923s, and I also have that same plug in here. And grandma now, right now, burning crispy. I don't know what. But I like them good horsepower plug. So yeah, I'm gonna put them in, man. Get them gapped, and this over here be ready to go. And then we'll see, make sure everything is everything, make sure it's hitting like it's supposed to, and see whatever we get into. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So y'all see, look, the sun going down. I didn't get the task done today. I switched the tires. I had to run, do some other stuff. But did the main thing, called worst case scenario, if I don't find time to change the plug, I still will be okay. The plugs in it not super dirty. They not that dirty. It's just that it'll run better on motor with the other plugs in, but it ain't gonna be enough to make a serious difference. Not that serious of a difference, but like I said, we really going to get the data on the 373 gear in comparison to the 410. Difference it make on motor. So say all that failed, the car ready to go and all that. Now they ain't gonna take a nitro bottle, like I said. That way I don't take it, I won't have to worry about it. So tomorrow we're gonna continue the video, man. I'm gonna try to get the plug changed. Then I need to test it and everything and see what makes everything. I'm gonna test the tram brake and all that stuff before we take off. If I need to adjust the two-step and all that, I'm gonna do that. But I did take something off. I took my tag plate thing, my tag hold off, because that joker had been bent. I was tired of looking at it, but I ain't record that. But I did take that off. Then I had to run and leave and all that other stuff. But y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna continue this tomorrow. Man, y'all know what? I'm thinking about, since it ain't quite dark yet, it just look like it over here. But man, since we ain't get a chance to finish with Meach, man, we're gonna run over to Jesse, man. Go holler at Jesse, see what he got shaking today. Then, man, I always got something going on, man. So we're gonna run over there, see what he got shaking, man. Turn y'all back on. Okay, my boy Jesse. My boy Jesse got the promo, man. Y'all see, y'all make sure to follow my boy channel too, man. Lawless Street Car to Fabrication, or Lawless Street Car to YouTube. But Jesse got all type of toys, y'all. Got the promo right here, Chevelle. He don't put that promo carburetor on there, man. Said he wants some of Grandma Nana. So we might see the Chevelle versus Grandma Nana, man. See y'all, he coming back. My boy probably ain't gonna do nothing. He need to light it up, man. He need to light it up. Y'all to show. Look, that man burned the tires off. Hey, he burnt the tire clean off, boy. Hey, man, think Jesse won't turn it up. All right, y'all, it's the next day. Y'all saw my boy Jesse turned up, man. He turned up in the old Chevelle, man. Boy, cut that thing loose. But so we got the job done. Me and wife got up and worked out this morning. Do our last workout of the week. She came out here, helped me change the spark plug. I gave her a lesson. That was her first spark plug change, man. I couldn't catch it though, cause you know, I ain't popped the hood yet. But she helped me change the spark plug. I gave her the easy side. It one she couldn't get. The one over here, but that was her first one, so I had to show her and all that. I went ahead and hit the east side, which is the hardest side. I did that side. Then she did the 3. I did the one in the back. I showed her that one. Then she did the other 3 by herself and stuff. I just checked the gap and all that on them. So shout out to wifey for the help and all of that. So it's a beautiful day. We all ready to go. We got the tires. We got the tires on. I got it set up for motor. As far as on the tune and all that, the gap. It's the plugs, everything is set up for motor. So now there literally is no way I'm gonna spray it. There is no way possible I'm gonna spray it. So like I said, that'll just keep my level down of wanting to do it. So now we got this set up, crispy. We crunk it up, running good. Little bro will be over here tomorrow morning. All we gotta do is load up and pull out. Excuse me. I ain't got nothing to take. I'm gonna take the 24s, the jack, impact, and tie gauge. That's all you need, man. That's what I love about when you just run a motor. When you take a nitrous, a lot more stuff you gotta take, torch, adjustable wrench, and all that. And yeah, we ready to go, man. Gas. I ain't getting no racing gas, so it'll be on pump gas, which is cool. The tune, everything cool for 93. Look at that. I'm trying to get me. So yeah. I'm gonna take the can out, and then we'll start. I put some 93 in one of these 5 gallon pails or whatever. I put some 93 in there, take it, and that's what we're gonna run on tomorrow. 93, man. Don't need no racing gas and all that. So we're gonna be on pure pump gas tomorrow, and we're gonna do some motor runs. And I said, man, I looked at the plugs that came out of it. Obviously, they coat the plug and stuff. So I'm looking for it to pick up on motor, actually. Looking for it to pick up on motor, man. I reading them plug stuff. Of course, they set up for nitro, but I'm looking for it to pick up on motor, man. So tomorrow I'm looking for a personal best on motor. That's what I'm looking for. And because tomorrow I'm looking at it hitting on that tram brake like it's supposed to. Because y'all know the 2 times I only used the tram brake twice. Both times I had my hand on the shifter, and when I took off, it yanked the car in second. Well, I yanked the car in second. The G4 pull made me pull the shifter back. So tomorrow I'm gonna put it in my hand. I'm gonna put it in my head before I take off. Hold that button like that. Hold that button so I ain't grabbing the shifter and just like this. Hold that button. Let go. Then pull it. And that joke will leave. Cause a tram brake gonna drop to 60 foot. It got a mean 60 foot now, but the tram brake gonna drop to 60 foot better because. Like on the foot brake, man, it's a motor. I mean, not a motor. It's a nitrous converter, so it's super tight. It's very tight, cause it's made to it turn loose on gas. That's what it for. But it's super tight, so man, when it hit 2,000 RPM, it's over with. It ready. It started moving. So I be on that brake, man. Better leave on more RPM, and then it gonna drop to 60 foot down, and we definitely gonna pick up my proud. We're gonna pick up my proud big time on the gear chain. That's just a fact. I already saw that. I tested it out here, but on the road. But it definitely gonna pick up my proud on the track, on back end. It still got enough power to just have a nasty 60, and everything should be good, man. But like I said, ready to go. Ready to go. Y'all saw some action, man. Y'all saw my boy Jesse cutting the food and all that. And oh, hey, look, check this out. I look at wifey car right there. I got to throw the clip in there, man. I got to throw the clip in there, cause by now, y'all, by the time y'all seen this, man, she done dropped the video, but I got to throw the clip in there, man, cause she had, if you ain't go to her channel, check it out, but she probably done dropped the video, but man, look, check this out. I'm finna roll the clip right now. Man, let me tell y'all something. I ain't even finna point it over there at that man. This man over here by an ant pile the side of Stone Mountain. And he told us something. Let me see who can stand there long. We ain't doing that no more like we're kids.
He's gonna have ants all over his hands, and then he's gonna be running off, and then he's gonna like, nah, I should've listened.
Yeah, he
should've listened.
But look, y'all, I ain't saying nothing. Look what we got going on. Check her vlog out. That's all I'm gonna say. So look, y'all saw it. I want y'all to go to wifey video, whatever her last video is, and tell her or put no gas club or something like that. Tell her welcome to the club. She done ran that joke out of gas. Talking about some, look, she had called me, said, oh, this car cut off. This car cut off. She had ran that joke out of gas. I said, I don't know if you don't drop the video by the time they gonna see this, but I just had to throw that clip in there where you ran out of gas. So y'all go to her last video and put welcome to No Gas Club. Cause she sure ran the joke out. And then look, I asked her, I said, hey, is the fuel pump loud? Nah. Get the fuel pump, man. I get out there, it sound like the fuel pump finna jump out the trunk, man. I said, Lord, boy, glory. But anyway, man, we got it done. We finna enjoy the rest of the day, cause it's pretty and stuff. Like I said, the other day, man, I didn't get a chance to get the stuff done. Get the spark plug done, but because I knew it was gonna get dark, so I was like, shit, we'll just shoot over to Jesse and all that. So yeah, man, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.